Welcome back to NTV's Good Life. We are in the kitchen with the one, the only, Carol.
And Ronnie.
Yes, good morning.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna get right to it because Carol goes, I got a good recipe, let's try it.
Yes, let's share it. This is peanut butter oatmeal cookie bars. And I'm just gonna make, instead of making it into the bars that you cut, I'm just gonna drop them on my cookie sheet that's lined with parchment paper. We're gonna set the oven to 350.
Okay.
And here are the ingredients for this easy recipe. 2 eggs, some peanut butter, a third a cup of pure maple syrup, and do we have that and a story to share with you about that. Half a cup of rolled oats, and some baking soda, ground cinnamon, sea salt, and chocolate chips.
Okay, the sea salt and the sea salt makes anything better.
Yes.
Okay, you got that?
Yes, so we're gonna mix the wet ingredients first. So we're gonna combine the eggs. So we're gonna get 2 eggs, and you know what? I did bring something to stir with.
A little whisk?
Oh, over there.
Okay, what do you,
Either one of those.
which one do you want? Which one do you want?
It doesn't matter. We're gonna combine the eggs, the peanut butter, and the maple syrup and vanilla. So the peanut butter, we need to get 1 cup of peanut butter, which I do have right here.
1 egg. I'm just gonna put this back here.
Yep. And I'm gonna grab this. This is how we cook. And I mean, you can use crunchy peanut butter or you can use smooth.
Okay.
I'm using smooth.
Do you like the creamy?
I like them both, but we just didn't have enough crunchy in the house.
Okay.
And you know what else I would have added to this?
Can I use this to stir? Is that what we're wanting? Or because we're dropping the cookies with this?
That's for measuring, actually. I could drop them with that.
I'll give this a stir then.
Go ahead.
Okay.
The thing I wish I would have added to this or bought to have.
Okay.
I love raisins and dried cranberries. And Ronnie just stopped stirring.
No,
But I said
together.
that.
I've only had them dried cranberries. That would give a little tartness.
Yes, or that's why I thought that would be good with raisins too, because we got kind of the salty here.
Am I adding this to this?
Yes, that would be a cup of peanut butter.
Geez, that's a
There's
nice,
our
big,
eggs.
healthy.
Yes, is that what it needs? Yes. And then a third a cup of pure maple syrup.
Okay.
Now, I'll let you get the maple syrup.
No, you can grab it. That's fine.
This is a fourth a cup. This would be a third of a cup. Okay.
I'll give that to you so you can get that.
Perfect. So tell the story of this pure maple syrup,
Well,
Ronnie.
our friend, and she was our friend that we work with, Molly. She grew up in
Upper New York.
and her mom and dad have their own maple syrup, and
They're
to watch the
trees.
process. So this is pretty much directly from the tree and processed.
Yes, and
at their
right, Molly.
So anyway, this is the third. It was
Yes.
like and there's something about just pure maple syrup that is just amazing.
Yeah, so she sent me some. Oh, look! You haven't used it yet. This is the first time.
No, well, I was going to use it. Oh, look at that.
That is a third. Oh my goodness!
If there's something about, and this is amazing.
Yeah.
Because I make breakfast every Sunday morning, and it's pancakes or waffles or French toast. So
Yum.
And I've had some of her maple syrup before, and it's exceptional. It's truly exceptional. Okay.
So we added the maple syrup and also just a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And so what we're going to do is just mix that up so it's combined.
Now these are supposed to be bars, but you're making them into cookies.
Yeah, I'm just going to do little drops on the cookie sheet because then you don't have to worry about cutting it up. And then once we get that combined, let's see, we're going to add the rolled oats, which we need. How much?
Oh, that vanilla.
You can smell that, right? Yeah. Oh, there it is. I didn't have it on mine. How many rolled oats do we need here?
Probably a lot.
I think it's a cup and a half.
Well,
let's see. I think it is a cup. Let's just say a cup and a half. Or 2 cups. Let's see.
1.5 cups.
1.5 cup rolled oats. Okay. There. 3 cups, Molly? Should I do 3 cups? The baker in our ear, she knows how to bake.
Okay.
Should we take? I don't know how far are we on? How far along are we?
Let's take a quick break and let's finish this recipe up with Carol when we come back. Don't go anywhere, friends. You're watching NTV's Good Life. During the break, we just decided to keep stirring, and then Carol decided to add some rolled oats because that's what it calls for.
Maybe a little too many.
Maybe just a little too many. So
because they're all over the counter.
We're putting about a cup and a half to 2 cups of rolled oats.
Probably another egg just so it wouldn't be so dry. Do you need me to stir that? What? You can put it down there. It'd be easier to stir down there.
Well, this is where the shot was set. So that's what I'm trying to be helpful.
Here. He'll help you.
I'm trying to be.
Okay, so now we're putting in the dry ingredients, which are the rolled oats, baking soda, and then for baking soda, I hope this is what my thing says, just a quarter teaspoon of baking soda.
Man, I would just leave it. Well, you can't eat raw eggs, so.
Does that look like a quarter teaspoon?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure, Carol. Anything you say.
Quarter teaspoon measurement thingy. And some ground cinnamon, which it says ground cinnamon. You want to do about a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon.
Oh, yum.
So I got my organic ground cinnamon.
And if you have a little extra, you're okay.
Yes.
I mean, because it's seriously.
Yeah, seriously. And then also some sea salts.
Ooh. Now,
Yeah.
I had a chocolate chip cookie when I was eating sweets that had it on there once, and it's like,
Yummy.
you can't go back.
Yeah. Okay, how much sea salt was I supposed to add?
Half a
teaspoon.
Yeah, a little
A
more.
little more?
And I don't. And then you can
How's that?
you can always add it to the top when
That's right.
it's baking.
And now we're going to stir in our chocolate chips. And you know me, I love my dark chocolate.
You know who else loved dark chocolate?
Who?
Fran.
Our friend
loved
Fran.
dark chocolate.
Okay, and this
Okay.
calls for
How much? How much,
chocolate
Carol?
chips. 1 cup of chocolate chips.
Okay,
Here
now
we go,
just right-
Fred.
okay. Those are huge.
Oh, they are. Oh, well.
No, that's fine.
There they go.
It tells you how long it's been since I baked something with
Yes.
dark chocolate.
Okay.
Ooh,
Oh,
yum.
man. Okay, so
Oh, Carol.
here, let me stir, and I'll let you get this ready, or
Okay.
whatever you need to do.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know, whatever you want to do.
I'll just get this out of the way.
Oh, yeah, because this, yummy.
Okay,
Yeah,
so you're just
raisins
gonna
in
make-
this would have been really good. Yeah, and craisins and
Yay.
raisins.
If you say so, I don't mind. I honestly don't mind raisins. It's just that when you're expecting a chocolate chip and then chocolate,
Oh, well, that's
raisin.
not right. When you're expecting chocolate chip cookies
And then
they
you
come-
with
and
the
the
raisin
cookies.
Just maybe
not-
it's
yeah,
just
that's
me.
not right.
Okay. Okay.
So what we're going to do is take a spoon.
And I bet this makes a lot.
It does. And so,
Is there a little scoopy thing in here?
oh, that would be perfect. Yeah, let's
that's
try,
too
let's
big.
try- No,
Is that too big?
no, you don't have to fill up all the way.
Well, I guess you're making your own because it's supposed to be
Yeah,
a bar. So
there you go. Yeah.
Yeah.
So go ahead and scoop away.
Okay, I'll just do a little scoop.
And then,
scoop.
yeah, so,
Ooh.
perfect, Ronnie.
Look
So
at
again,
that.
this is gonna go bake on the center rack at a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And so I think that's what the directions say. At
Okay.
350 degrees.
Ooh, Carol.
And talk about a good, Ronnie.
Yeah, look at that.
Talk about a good, healthy little snack. You can make them a little smaller.
Oh, a little smaller.
Just a little smaller.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, well, you know, that's okay. That's good.
That.
We'll get, yeah. Oh, man, look at how much is in this.
Yeah, I was gonna say this.
That is making a lot.
That will make a lot,
Yeah.
especially if you make them smaller.
That's right. We'll need another cookie.
Okay, so
sheet for baking.
350 for how long?
For 20 to 25 minutes.
Or you could put it in bar form if you like.
Yeah, you could
They're
put
not
it in
gonna
an
s-
8
are they
by
not-
8 or a.
Are they gonna spread? Do you think?
I
A
don't
little?
think
Do you want them
so.
to touch and get all mushy
Oh.
and turn into a bar?
No, we'll just
Okay.
keep it in little bites like that.
Okay.
So again, and I'm sure there's
Well,
a
then we're gonna have to
bazillion
make these.
recipes for this. I mean, I've seen people make these before, and I've never made them. And I
So they
thought,
bake even.
how healthy are these that
Yeah.
we could just make these?
Okay.
So we're gonna put those in the oven, and when they're done, the show will be over by then. But when we're done, we will take a picture of these and show you how they turned out, and we will post the recipe on our Facebook page.
Thank
so
you,
there you
Carol.
go, friends. Peanut
Thank you.
butter oatmeal
Yum.
cookies.
Wonderful.
Oh, great
Thank you.
job.
All
Yeah,
right.
you're welcome.
Appreciate it so much. We appreciate all of you. So stay with us. We have a lot more of NTV's Good Life coming up. We'll be back in 2.